Good morning, all of you, my dear student. Welcome to my channel, Jnana Ganga Science Classes 365 channel. Today, now we are going to discuss about first PUC, second chapter, biological classification. Biological classification. Classification is the arrangement of organisms in specific group or categories based on the certain characters. So that one is known as classification. Classification is the arrangement of organisms in the specific group or categories based on the certain characters. So that one is known as classification. Then system of classification. The first system is artificial system. Which system? Artificial system. What is artificial system? In this system, morphologically, in this system, the morphologically or morphological characters like habit, habitat, number of stamens, etc. are called as a artificial system, isn't it? Example, lineage system. Then second system is natural system. Which system? Natural system. In this system, the natural relationship are considered to the classify organisms. That one is known as the natural system. In this system, the natural relationship are considered to the classify. Natural relationship are considered to classify organisms. So that one is known as a natural system. Example, George Bentham and Joseph Dalton. George Bentham and Dalton. Then third system is phylogenetic system. In this system, evolutionary relationship are taken in the account to classify the organisms. Example, Englers and Prantila system, isn't it? What is phylogenetic system? In this system, evolutionary relationship are taken into the account, classify the organisms. That one is known as a phylogenetic system. So these are the three systems are having a biological classification. Aristotle was the first scientist. Aristotle was the first scientist to classify. The Aristotle to classify the living organisms. Living organisms. Aristotle is the first scientist to classify the living organisms, plant and animals. Plant and animals. Scientifically, Aristotle used the simple morphology of the characters to classify the living organisms. Then now we are going to discuss about two kingdom classification. Which classification? Two kingdom classification. Two kingdom classification. Okay. Two kingdom classification is developed by Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. Two kingdom classification is developed by Carolus Linnaeus. Then three kingdom classification is which classification? Three classification is proposed by Ernst Haeckel. Ernst Haeckel. He introduced the separate for all unicellular and eukaryotic. He introduced the phylum Protista, isn't it? Now we are going to discuss about the classification of biological. Firstly, the kingdom of classification. Two kingdom, यहाँ पर टू किंगडम फर्स्टली कौन प्रपोज्ड किया है? कैरोलस लिनियस नामक विज्ञानी ने किंगडम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन का प्रपोज्ड किया है. और नेक्स्ट है थ्री क्लासिफिकेशन, जिनमें कैरोलस लिनियस में क्या था? प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स था. और उसमें उसके बाद क्या हो गया? प्रोटिस्टा नामक नए क्लासिफिकेशन का यहाँ पर खोज किया. और नेक्स्ट फोर किंगडम classify proposed by the Copeland. Copeland is proposed by the four kingdom. He introduced the separate kingdom Monera. He introduced the separate kingdom Monera. So Monera kingdom is proposed by Copeland, biologist. Then five kingdom. Next five kingdom. Four kingdom. Fourth kingdom, five kingdom is proposed by R.H. Whitaker. Whitaker. In 1969, he introduced it advanced to the most popular system of the classification. तो आर.एच. विटकर नामक विज्ञानी ने जैव वर्गीकरण जितने भी किया वह बहुत ही पॉपुलर है। द फाइव किंगडम्स आर listen here carefully. The five, which are the five kingdoms are having in a biological classification. The first kingdom is Monera. Which kingdom? Monera. The next kingdom is Protista. Next kingdom is Plantae. Next kingdom is Fungi. Next, Animalia or animal. R.H. Whitaker is proposed by five kingdoms. So, Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi and Animalia. So, these are the five kingdoms of the biological classification. Then now we are going to discuss about the comparisons and characteristics of the kingdom. Okay. Firstly, the comparison of five kingdoms. First, Monera, type of the cell. Okay. Then first, cell wall. Then next one is nuclear envelope. Then next one is cellular organization. Then next one is mode of nutrition. So types of cell, the comparison characteristics of the five kingdom. The first kingdom is So listen here carefully. Types of the cell. Number first kingdom is Monera. Next Protista. Next Fungi. Next Plantae, and last one is animal. So these are the five kingdoms. First Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and animals. Now we are going to discuss to comparison the characteristics of the kingdom, isn't it? Then now we are going to discuss about cell wall of the five kingdom. First, now we are going to discuss about Monera. The cell wall is non-cellular. polysaccharide and amino acid. Polysaccharide and amino acid. Then the protista present in same non-cellular present in same. So this is the cell wall, non-cellular polysaccharide and amino acid is present in cell wall, the kingdom of Monera. Next, protista present in same fungi. The cell wall is made up of chitin. In the cell wall is made up of a plantae cellular nature, then animals, the absent of the cell wall, animals में जो walls है, cell walls है, so the absent in the animal kingdom, cell wall. Then now we are going to discuss about nuclear envelope, the 5 kingdom. The first kingdom is Monera. So nuclear envelope is absent in Monera kingdom, and the protista kingdom, the nuclear envelope is present. Then next, the fungi nuclear envelope is present, and plantae nuclear envelope is also present, and animal nuclear envelope is also present. So nuclear envelope is present in a protista, fungi, plantae and animals. Then cellular organization of Monera kingdom is a cellular nature, Then protista, cellular organization in a protista. So this one is also a cellular nature, and the cellular organizations are fungi, multicellular and loose tissue. Multicellular and loose tissue. Multicellular and loose tissue is a cellular organization in fungi, and cellular organization in plantae, tissue. तो इसमें प्लांट में सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या होता है, टिश्यू ऑर्गन का समावेश होता है, टिश्यू ऑर्गन्स होते हैं. देन सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन एनिमल्स, टिश्यू भी होते हैं और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिस्टम भी होता है, टिश्यू एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिस्टम. So they are having a cellular organization in plantae, tissue and organ system. Then mode of nutrition in Monera is autotrophic. Then mode of protista is auto and hetero. Autotroph and heterotrophic nutritions are having in a protista kingdom. Then fungi में क्या होता है, mode of nutrition heterotrophic and parasite. Heterotrophic and parasitic mode of nutrition is having in fungi kingdom. Then plantae are having a autotrophic mode of nutritions are having in a plant and animals the mode of nutritions are having a heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. So these are the comparison characteristics of the five kingdom, isn't it? Let us, I will be stopped at this position. Remaining part we will see tomorrow नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम मोनेरा किंगडम के बारे में जानकारी ले लेंगे। जय हिंद।